Okay, so I didn't go live today because it's the Super Bowl, and I had some appointment I had to go to, but I did make some good stuff. Want to see it? Of course you do. Hold up. Okay, see them shrimps? Shrimp. Okay, those are Cajun with Obey, and these are some yams. And here's some chicken fried like my Aunt Lotta makes it. This is fried with flour and cornmeal. It is so good. And these are the braised ribs in its own juice. No gravy, no barbecue sauce. They are scrumptious. This is the macaroni and cheese. It has Munster, Colby, sharp, mozzarella. I think that might be it. Colby, Munster, sharp, or mozzarella. This is kale and collards and turkey necks. Where's the cornbread? I didn't make any. But that's what that is. And on here I just use oregano. I use parsley, garlic powder, onion powder, Creole seasoning, and paprika. Okay, on here I use flour and I used cornmeal, and I just use salt and pepper. Okay, and okay, the Cajun season and Obey, and that's about it, y'all. So I didn't go live, but this is what we did, or what I did. Okay, bye.